So if I place myself close to the screen on the left side, I will step first with my right because that's where I give my partner a space for the sacada. And the sacada in this leg makes me go backward. So that step will be the backward. This one, when the leader does the sacada, is what we normally take as the side step around the chair. But we are walking from there. This is the one that gives a space to the leader. The one that would be around the chair, the side step. Back, side, forward, side. And then backward will be the exit. I will do it one more time from the same position. Back in the opening. We call this position the opening, where the leader can do the sacada. Back, side, forward, side, and backward, and from there we will exit. I will do it now on the opposite side so you can see from the opposite position. This one is the one that I do. The follower gets the sacada, back, side, forward, side, backward, and from here we will keep walking. One more time from that diagonal corner so you can see each side easily. The opening, back, side, forward, side, backward, and here will be the exit into the walk. The close side of the embrace. Cross system. Now I do the sacada, and here I lead the follower to go back. And I will mirror the follower. I also will go back. And then I will go side with her, mirroring her, and forward when she goes forward. So, exactly the same thing we were practicing. The difference is here. In this moment, the leader, also using the torso, will pivot and get the feet together in a cross to step to do a sacada with your right foot. So that one will be this. We practiced already this enrosque in the opposite direction, and this one is with less pivot. I am in the close side of the embrace. When I do the sacada, back, side, forward, cross, enter. And then one more attempt, exit in parallel system into the walk. One more time. Close side of the embrace, walk. Sacada, back, side, forward, cross, enter. One more. So we were in cross system. Sacada is in cross system. The turn is in cross system. Here I change to parallel. And we exit in parallel. When the leader does that cross and sacada with the right, that sacada is in parallel system because the cross step is a change of system. So you didn't have to go double time in that one. Sacada, back, side, forward, and change system, exit, walking. Now we'll do it from the opposite side. Walking in cross system, close side of the embrace. Sacada, back, side, forward, change, enter, parallel system to exit. We are walking in cross system. Now I do this sacada. I have to invade the space to make my partner go backward, starting to turn. She was going that direction. From my sacada, I get her to go that direction. And this will be a backward also. But as she does that step, also I do that step. The detail that the leader has to watch is to be sure that she's going already there. So you stay with your feet in this position, you can pivot them. Be sure that she is going and then you step quickly to match the time of the step of the follower, even you are starting after the follower. You may can start first, then you go, but you have to reach this position when he reaches that position. The leader step is shorter because he's in the middle of the turn. Now we go same, backside forward. Finish forward with some space in your feet. Almost like we are going, I am going that direction and my partner is going that direction. It's circular. And the next, this step is slow for the follower and next step is slow. But for the leader is quick, quick, slow. Now, my right foot gets close to her right foot. Not this one, the one that is behind in the direction of the turn of the follower. Again, from the sacada, backside, forward. This is, keep some distance in between your feet, because here, for the leader, this is quick, quick, slow. For the follower, it's slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Again, sacada, leader, quick, 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 slow. Follower, sacada, quick, quick, slow, slow. So for the leader, you have to go. Not as fast, but all are half time movement for the leader.